Hello, welcome to Tea Lee. So we have really exciting news. This is our new Boba Tea Kit with an upgraded packaging. So for this video, we'll just be doing an unboxing. Okay, so when I open the box here, you can see our inside packaging. And first you'll see our instruction manual on how to make your boba tea. And some of the kits include a boba cup, or you can purchase it separately as well. It comes with a reusable boba straw and a cleaning straw. And then when you open the tissue packaging, you'll see your boba tea flavors. So we have over 20 different kinds of boba tea flavors. You can purchase our fixed set of bestsellers such as our fruit or classic tea flavors like black tea or green tea, which are dairy and gluten-free. Or you can customize your boba tea set, and each set comes with 300 grams of tapioca and of course your jumbo boba straws. So you can shop our boba tea kits at tealees.com. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel.